these holy streams. Brace each cell of life below the surface of the water and help us to nurture creation and celebrate the gift of the water that you have given us. Amen. The oceans are the lungs of the planet, a major source of food and medicines. The whole world celebrates June 8th as World Ocean Day. The purpose of the day is to educate and inform people about the impact of human actions on oceans and start the worldwide movement to save the world's oceans. A little girl and boy are strolling happily on the beach, singing songs and prancing about. Take me out to the ocean, take me out to the sea. Show me the foamy waves rolling there as I breathe in salty air. Oh! Suddenly, they stop. They go close to the water to see a dolphin. It was in pain. How can we help you? A dolphin is in pain. How can we help you? There is something stuck on top of my head. Here, let me help you. Oh, a plastic cover. But won't put in the ocean, we should use a dustbin. Thank you, my friends. Now I can read freely. You are most welcome. Would you like to meet some of my other friends? I can take you to my home under the ocean. Oh, that would be great. The little boy and girl swim on each side of the dolphin and they dive into the ocean. Suddenly, they go through dirty and black water and the little girl is scared. Don't be scared, the water is dirty because of the oil and chemicals. But how did it get mixed in the ocean? All this waste oil and chemicals are from your factories on land. That is so sad. Yes, the ocean is our home and is getting polluted from the oil waste and plastic that is getting dumped into the ocean. They go deeper into the ocean and sees all kinds of fishes and sea creatures. Hello, my ocean friend. And I have learned a very important lesson today. And I am going to tell everyone on earth. Yes, human actions are polluting our lives and our homes, source of water. Thank you, little friends. We hope to have a cleaner home soon. The little boy and girl swim back happily to the shore. They can't wait to spread the word. Don't spread the oil, spread the word. Save the ocean, save the planet. A woman రకరకాల ఖనిజాల సముద్రము కలిసిమెలిసి ఉండాలి. మనమంతా మహాసముద్రంలా. మన భూమండలం అంతా సముద్రపు నీరంతా నింగిలోకి ఆవిరై వర్షాలు నేల కొరిగెను. సస్యశ్యామలమైన పంటలకు నిలయం మన భారతమని. नमस्ते। आज का कविता है लहरें। कर कर करती शोर मचाती सागर में सागर की ये शांत लहरें कितना कुछ कह जाती। सेमी ये दे दे जैसे मधु गाना गाती पवन ते छूने बसे जनतनु बजोती। उठ उठ कर फिर तट को छूती कभी प्रसन्न और कभी उदास। सागर कितना गहरा है जानने के उसका राज। ये दैत्यकार से दिखती कभी हो जाती अस्तित्व वही। भयावह होने में भी उसको दर्द छिपाए भीतर में। अनगिनत मोती माणिक्य चुप है उसके सीने में। Conserve water, useless water, so that waste water will not flow into the ocean. Close the tap, will not use. Take a bucket for bathing and washing. Reduce water pollutants, choose non-toxic chemicals, and dispose of pesticides and cleaning products properly. Reduce waste, cut down on what is away around town. Shop wisely, buy less plastic and use recyclable bags. Reduce vehicle pollution, use efficient vehicle, carpool or ride a bike. Fish responsibility keep more fishes alive. Respect attack, healthy attack and survival go hand in hand. Anytime, anyway, volunteer for cleanups at the beach and in your community. Our mission is to deepen the understanding, the relationship with the ocean. Plastic pollution, water rising temperatures, overfishing, sewage dumps, and many other factors are impacting the ocean's ability to thrive as it should. Life below the water is in crisis more. We have to take action